Hi everybody friends, I'm already sanding my floors. uh, Already cut this one need to install new OSB with epoxy and fiberglass, and I found clean up glue from floor or another area. You can see over here glue coat stay on his place, just remove glue. This discs and papers, it's number 150 I use. You can use another, but I use this and this work really good. When the sandpaper looks like this, need to remove and use new. I use near 40 disc for clean all my floors. I'm already remove sides panel because need to change leather on this panel, and the floor go under this panel, floor carpet. Need glue carpet over here. When you know what glue use for this carpet, say me, and I be happy for know what glue I will be use. Need to install audio system because it's not here right now, but from factory it's stay here. You can see wires, it's have two speakers on the front of both. I want to install two more speakers on the rear part of both. When I remove this side panel, I find too much loose bolt nuts, but it's boat is 1992 year. It's 33-year old boat, and some parts is loose. I find new nuts, bolts, and title for this control work correctly. Tight wires, what on the place where it is broken, zip tie, install new zip tie. Remove rubber hose for speedometer because I buy new speedometer. It's not need hose, it's work from a GPS signal. Need clean up this panel and clean bottom for not looks like really old. Need to clean up all with a vacuum and then install fiberglass on the floor. Thank you for watch. Subscribe, put likes, comments, share video for your friends, and see you again on the YouTube.